Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Resident Evil Requiem Unsupported graphics card error. So first is you just have to identify the error. So when launching the Resident Evil Requiem, you will see an unsupported graphics card error dialog. So this means that the game doesn't recognize your GPU as compatible. So don't worry, this is usually a driver or configuration issue, not a hardware limitation. So next is just have to update the graphics driver via Device Manager. So open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and then expand Display Adapters. So right-click your graphics card and then select Update Driver. And then from here, just choose Search Automatically for drivers. So for best results, download the latest driver directly from NVIDIA or AMD's website. Next is add launch parameters in Steam. So open Steam, right-click Resident Evil Requiem in your library, and select Properties. Now in the launch option field, type this one, and then disable ray tracing. So this bypasses the GPU compatibility, and then you just have to check the causes the crash. Next is modify DDR registry values. So open registry editor and navigate to this one and create a new DWORD value called DDR level and set it to 0. So this prevents the Windows from resetting the GPU driver during the intensive rendering. Lastly is game running successfully. So after applying these fixes, Resident Evil Requiem should launch and run without unsupported graphics card error. So monitor your FPS counter to ensure stable performance so that the game should now properly or detect and utilize your GPU. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!